brought Banner Safety Town. It's a educational tool for injury prevention. So they have 8 different injury prevention stations that they go to, and then they rotate around them, and then they go to a big group and we do some more educational things. So it's very interactive for the kids, a lot of hands-on, and they get to see, do, and hear. And our time starts now. We have a fire station where smoke comes underneath the doorknob heats up, and they actually have to crawl out a window to go to their safe spot. We have poison, so we talk about poison in their house. We have gun safety, we have car seat safety. We have a healthy house where we talk about germs and vaccinations and things to stay healthy. We also have a schoolhouse where it's bullying and falls that we talk about. And we also talk about helmets.
Put it on my head, I want it to fit just like this. We're gonna clip it underneath our chin.
And then we go over pedestrian safety, bike safety, railroad safety, and we go over dog bites and stranger danger.
I've been learning that how to escape from a house if it's on fire.
If you see a gun, you stop, run away, and you tell a grown up.
You have to be 4'9" to sit, to be out of a booster seat. If your seat belt is like over your stomach, that means that you have to be in a car seat or a booster seat because your seat belt's supposed to be on your lap.
This is why you need to have learning experiences about this, and this is why you need to have it so you know what to do when this actually happens